Good morning, everyone. My name is Jet Arioso. I'm going to discuss today about Microsoft Excel. So, what is Microsoft Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program for Microsoft and a component of its Office product group for business applications. So, a spreadsheet is a digital tool that helps you organize, analyze, and store data in a table format. Microsoft Excel enables users to format, organize, and calculate data in a spreadsheet. By organizing data using software like Excel, data analysts and other users can make information easier to view as data is added or changed. Excel contains a large number of boxes called cells that are ordered in rows and columns. Data is placed in these cells. So let's go to the history of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel has been around since 1982. First introduced as Multiplan, a very popular CP/M control program for microcomputers, but lost popularity on MS-DOS system to Lotus 123. In 1987, Microsoft introduced Excel version 2.0 and the emerging Quattro Pro. In 1993, Microsoft released Excel version 5.0 for Windows, which includes VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, aka macros. This opened up almost unlimited possibilities in automation for repetitive tasks, for crunching numbers, process automation, and presenting data for business. So this is the example of Microsoft Multiplan in 1982. So flash forward to present day with the latest release of Excel 2019 and Excel 365. Microsoft Excel is the most familiar, flexible, and widely used business application in the world due to its capability to adapt to almost any business process. Coupled with the use of other Microsoft Office applications, Word, Outlook, and PowerPoint, etc. There is little that cannot be handled by this very popular combination. So this is the example of Microsoft Excel today. So these are the terminology and components of Microsoft Excel. We have here cell, cell reference, active cell, workbook, worksheet, worksheet tab, column and row headings, formula, formula bar, address bar, filter, autofill, autosum, pivot table, pivot chart, source data. And here are the advanced Excel capabilities. We have here trend function, VLOOKUP, table array, call index num, range lookup, max and min function, end function. Thank you for listening for my discussion.